Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how some AI voice filters of CapCut gonna sound like. I'm gonna read some quotes of this book, 1001 Pearls of Buddhist Wisdom.
Our best hope. It's possible to live in peace.
About beauty. Peace is always beautiful.
Inner peace. Without inner peace, world peace is impossible.
Impossibility. There was never a good war or bad peace. Choose your enemies. War with vices, but peace with individuals.
Positive results, a generous heart, and wholesome actions lead to greater peace. The call of compassion. Bend your head and listen well. Oh, compassion.
Be best in others. Appreciation is a wonderful thing. It makes what is excellent in others belong to us as well.
The best response, answer with kindness when faced with hostility.
A painless truth. Nobody can hurt me without my permission. Inexpensive action. Kind words do not cost much, but they accomplish much. Good friendships. By attaching yourself to worthy people, you yourself become worthy. Hard lessons. Everything that irritates about others can lead us to an understanding of ourselves.
Serve and protect. Support living beings with your whole nature and protect them like your own body.
This is like the voice criminals use when they call you and don't want to be discovered. It's actually crazy what AI can do. I think the female one sounds actually awesome.
It's only looking weird on a guy's face, but if you use some other footage where you're not yourself inside, yeah, it's great to use your voice, put the female on it, and it goes straight into the heads of the viewers.
At one point it will be known, it's a bit like a deep fake, but a deep fake for the voice, I would say. But to accomplish this with some DAW programs.
Damn. Yeah, it's insane. It's really insane what this AI voice filters can do. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you like, please share, like, and subscribe. Peace out.